This is Larry up in Brainerd. We got pickles. No, we don't. We got cucumbers, but they're going to be pickles. The wife is stuffing them. She wanted old-fashioned German pickles. So that's what we're making. And she's stuffing them. They got dill and mustard seed and bay leaf and green onion and regular or green pepper and green onion. And you put in fresh dill and lots of garlic and apple cider vinegar and your salt, of course. So we're making them up. They are looking good. This is the old style. She said once I have one of these, I'll never ever want to go back to making the other ones. We'll see. I'm trusting her. Well, when we get them done canning here, I'll show you what they look like. I'll be back. Well, folks, I'm back. We're back. Thank God my wife helped me out. These come out just beautiful. Look at them. I ain't supposed to touch them, and she'll holler at me if I do, but look at all the goodies in there, huh? The dill and the onions and the green bell pepper and the garlic and mustard seed and a little hot pepper and all the good. We got 21 quarts here. Now, the thing that sets these apart different than other pickles I've ever seen in recipes is you do not boil these. You put them in, well, I have a little temperature gauge in my hot water bath. It says 10 minutes. It said simmer hot. I had about 180 degrees, and they've been popping. And they claim don't boil them. And you'll see. I'll put the recipe below the video, so you can go right to it. And if you want to try making some old-fashioned German pickles, my wife is from Harlow, up by Devil's Lake, North Dakota, and she grew up on these. And it's been a long time. She says I ate some years ago, but I don't remember. But they sure look good. But you can't touch them for 6 weeks. So make up some now, so you got them. We're going to probably do another batch. I got more pickles coming, but she's going to see if they got some at the farmer's market, all nice size. And some of these we had to split and cut up to get in there. I let them go a little long. I want to pick them at just the right size next time. So anyway, this is Larry and Yvonne up in Brainerd, Minnesota. Ciao.